This is the assembly video to make this super cute housewarming card. I've pre-made this card for you and have shared it on the Itsy Bitsy Build Cricut community page. I'll pop a list of items you'll need, as well as a link to the project in Cricut Design Space in the description below. Now let's go through how to customize this card with your own picture. Here's our project on the canvas, and everything is pre-made for you. To add your own photo to the photo frame on the front of the card, you will need an image of choice. Click on Upload and then Upload Image. Browse to locate your image. Click Complex. Apply and continue. Then click the Print Then Cut side and click Upload. Click on the photo you just uploaded and add it to your canvas. Make the image a bit smaller by clicking and dragging the bottom right-hand corner here. Right-click on the photo frame and click Duplicate to make a copy of it, and then drag it over to your photograph. We're going to make our photo smaller until the couple fits inside the photo frame size. So again, do this by clicking and dragging until you make it smaller and you're happy with the placement. Go over to the Shapes tab and create a square. Resize it so it fits inside your photo frame. You can delete the yellow frame at this point. Click and drag over the photo and square to highlight them both, and click Slice. This will slice the photo out of the square shape, leaving you with the perfect size photo that will fit in your photo frame. Now we're ready to make our card. We have a mat with our Print Then Cut image to go in the photo frame. We're going to print it with our printer, and make sure you turn on the dialog box here and go to Preferences and change the print quality to Best Quality. We'll print it out and then stick it on a mat for our Cricut to cut out. We have our card here. I'm using this white textured cardstock. Your Cricut will score and then write in the green pen and then cut out the card. For our terracotta pots, I'm cutting them with an orange clay coloured paper. For our wood shelves with the wood grain, it's going to be drawn by a brown pen first and then cut out from this Kraft cardstock. You can also use brown cardstock. Our gold accents for the lotus and frame edge is textured metallic vinyl in this rose gold colour. To assemble the card, take the white piece of paper with the green pen on it and fold it in half. Stick the bottom piece of your pot under the green plant outline and place the thinner piece of the pot at the top. Stick your shelves on second so that they're spaced evenly and sit perfectly under those pots. Now we're going to take our metallic accents and stick them on the shelves with some transfer tape. Glue your photo down first and then stick the frame piece over the top of the photo. This is optional, but I also took a lighter green coloured pen and coloured the leaves on the words and also the plants. It just made it look really vibrant. And what a lovely personalised card to accompany your housewarming present. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me make more great content.